Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is probably the coolest 40 Ford on the planet. It's got a Cobra motor under the hood, custom interior, slick silver paint job, and you're gonna love checking it out. So go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We're gonna put it on the lift so you can see the custom frame. We're gonna pop the hood, take a look at that Cobra motor. It's a 4.6 32 valve motor. You're gonna love it. We're gonna drive it, we're gonna get in the trunk, we're gonna show you everything you wanna see so you can make a great decision on your 40 Ford investment. So come on up and let's fire this Cobra power up right now. So check this beauty out. Custom grille, custom trim, custom headlights, custom bumperettes, and look at all the body lines. Have you ever seen a 40 Ford with straighter body lines than this? It is amazing. The workmanship on the car is phenomenal. Now, the car's got electric door poppers on it, and there's a button right inside here. There it is. Look at that. Now it's also got an emergency popper, which is directly below this pillar down there. Underneath the running board, all you gotta do is pull down on it. So if the battery happens to be dead, you can still get inside your car. And look at the interior on this thing. I tell you, it looks like a spaceship in there, doesn't it? It is beautiful. The styling on it, everything is just drop dead gorgeous. She is beautiful. All the gauges are integrated in there. The dash is all nicely painted. Beautiful upholstery on the seats. And look at all the margins on the doors too. Just gorgeous. Love the wheels and tires on the car. Just phenomenal. All the paintwork looks great. She is gorgeous. The trunk release is right here. This is actually a note right here telling us where the trunk release is. All right, so I've figured out the trunk release. It's just a little handle right here. It moves to the side. You can see inside here the upholstery looks good. The battery shutoff's right there. The gas fill is right there. Bottom side of the deck lid looks great. We got a disc changer up there also. These are actually 39 Ford tail lights that are all fringed in. When you look down the side of the car, she's straight as can be. Again, another door popper on this side. Slick as can be. Look at that interior, she's gorgeous. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not consignment dealers. That means we own this car. Right now we've got a little over 220 cars in stock and we own every one of them. Now we're bringing in about 45 new cars every month, and I personally check out every one of the cars that comes in here. So what that means to you is you're getting my 35 plus years of experience helping you pick out your dream car. All right, let's go for a ride in our 40 Ford spaceship. What a cool build this thing is, man. Big power up front, super customized, beautiful, beautiful paintwork, beautiful customization. I tell you what, I guarantee you, take this to any car show, you will be the only one there. There will not be another car that looks like this one there. This thing is so sweet, guys, and it's got modern day power up front, modern day conveniences. It's amazing. She is a sweet ride. It'll stop on a dime too, man. Brakes are working awesome. It's got this custom steering wheel on it. All the controls are down here on the center console. Gauges are working here on the dash. Beautiful paint work on the dash. Nice and smooth to drive. And you know what? At Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship this 40 Ford anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you just how easy it is to ship this car anywhere you live in the world. And if you want some help with financing, we can help you out in that department too. We got 3 bankers we're working with on financing. Takes about a 15-minute phone call with the finance guy, and this dream is as good as in your driveway. Just give Tom a call and he will set it all up. Everything, look at that, driving with no hands. The steering wheel is very, very cool, super cool. Like I said, you won't see another one like this. It is a sweetheart, guys. And that modern day power up front, fuel injection, 5-speed, driving sweet. Now, we're real close to the airport here in Michigan. So if you'd like to fly in and check out this car or one of our other 220 cars we have in stock, it's only a 20-minute ride from the airport. We'll even come down to the airport and pick you up. If you would like to drive in, we're actually here on Saturdays too. So if you're the road trip type and like to come up to Michigan and visit us, check out our inventory. We'd love to have you. We don't get a lot of visitors here because we sell most of our stuff sight unseen. So please come on up and visit. We love to have visitors. We'd love to show you our inventory. Now we're gonna do something right now that nobody else in the industry does. We're gonna put this up on the lift so you can check out the underside, and then we're gonna pop the hood and take a look at what's making the power. So stick with us. This is our building. We're at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. Now stick with us. We're gonna get it in the air for you right now. All right, we're underneath this 40 Ford now, and man, is it cool under here. Now what's really cool, look at that billet exhaust there, man. Isn't that looking great? Now all these closeout panels have Zeus fasteners, so if you want to take anything down, you can. The battery's actually mounted up in here, and there are some jump lugs right up here in the wheel well, so you can get at them if you need to. Now we've got a Ford rear end in this thing. It is a 9-inch, it is right around a 350 gear, and it is Posi. We do have disc brakes, they're Willwood. We got coilover shocks holding it up. We got the AC condensers back here with a fan on it, so that's keeping you cool. And look at this custom frame, man. All 4 linked up, holding the back. We've got braces going in every direction here. The rear fenders, the running boards, everything are steel. We got the Tremec 5-speed transmission here. Great looking cross member. Now, right here this is your unlock. If the battery happens to be dead, you can pull down on this and the door will pop. There's one on each side. And then right up in the wheel well here is where the switch is. That's the electric button, so you don't have to bend over. You can just reach your hand in there, hit that switch. There's one on both sides. Now, up front here, we got the Cobra motor. We've got tubular lower control arms, upper control arms, coilovers holding it up, Willwood brakes up here, drilled and slotted rotors. I mean, everything about the car. Like I said earlier, it's like a spaceship. The car is amazing, guys. Now let's look at those wheels and tires. All right, up front we got some coys, and this is the black chrome, looking great. 225, 40, 18s up here, and look at that paint work right down to the bottom edge of the running board, looking sweet. Let's check the rear. All right, out back here, we got a lot more wheel back here, and their wheel woods are in there too. Same black chrome, 275, 35, 20s on the back. Now let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood of this baby, big surprise, 32 valve, 4.6 Cobra motor. It does have power steering. It does have air conditioning. It does have race car pedals in it there, so we've got manual brakes, and it does have a hydraulic clutch on it too. You can see how neat and tidy everything is. Everything is hidden, man. You don't see no hoses, you don't see any wiring. They did a beautiful job on the engineering here. It's got a big electric fan on the radiator that's covered up in here. What's cool is they've made everything accessible. If it's not connected with a Zeus fastener, it's got a little Torx or something. Now the hood latch is right down here. You can reach it, and then you raise the hood up and pull this pin. That's what holds the hood up. Check out those custom hinges. Check out the custom work on the bottom side of the hood. This is one amazing 40 Ford, guys. Gotta be one of the coolest ones on the planet. Give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.